celebrity chef Mark
The
Kalick.
one, the only, Chef Mark.
Our buddy, Chef Mark Kalick.
We have celebrity chef Mark Kalick.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and I'm in the Appliance Factory flagship store in Thornton. I'm really excited about this new KitchenAid feature. We know KitchenAid has been well known for its mixers and all the different attachments, everything from a juicer to a spiralizer. It has hundreds of attachments. And KitchenAid, keeping with that, has a really new innovative oven. This oven, it's so new, we don't even have it in stock yet. So this is a preview. It's the Smart Oven Plus. So what's really innovative about the Smart Oven Plus, keeping with your tradition of having interchangeable attachments, is that the oven has these slotted slide-in features, attachments, a steaming basket. You can see back here it's got a plug. That plugs directly into the oven, allowing it to communicate with the oven, and even your smartphone. It has a full suite of cooking features, and it's in full color touchscreen. It has a steaming basket, a pizza stone, and a grill. And all of these have that plug-in attachment. So you set it on the oven, you slide it back, it plugs into the oven, and then the oven on the control panel or through your phone has this beautiful culinary features that allow you to really control your oven like never before. So what I love about this is that when you buy the oven, it comes with the grill attachment, and then when you mail in your registration, they send you the other two, the pizza oven and the steaming attachment, along with once you've registered your product, which I think is really a great way to get people involved with the KitchenAid experience. This looks like a lot of fun. It's so new that we don't have it in stock yet. It looks like it's going to MSRP for about $3,200 for a high-end luxury oven. That's really keeping in line with what a highly featured wall oven will cost. So I think cost is not a barrier for someone who's putting in a new kitchen that wants all the culinary features. So doing a little bit more research, it says that there's minimal smoke in the grill. So I'm curious to see if there's a fan that is downdrafts the smoke and captures it. I don't know what those features are going to look like. It looks like the steamer has a water reservoir, and when you close the oven door, I'm curious to know if the whole oven heats up or if it just heats up the steaming feature. And the pizza oven, I bet the pizza oven allows that base pizza oven to get even hotter than 500 or 550 degrees, giving you that really nice crust on a pizza. I'm excited to try it out. I'm hoping to go to KitchenAid's culinary experience and try it out and report back to you. When we have one in stock and we have it live, I'll be back to show you some of the features, but I just want to let you know that this is on the way and we're really excited about it. Thanks for tuning in. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Fine Lines.